In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to keep a transformer plug from falling out of the outlet. First, you'll want to loosen the outlet cover. No need to take it off, just loosen it a little. Next, you'll want to size an appropriate length of Velcro to use for holding your transformer plug into the outlet. In my case, I ended up piecing together a couple different lengths to make it long enough to hold the transformer plug in place. I'll leave a link for this Velcro that I'm using in the description below. Next, you'll position the Velcro strip between the plate cover and the wall. And then you'll retighten the plate cover in place. All that's left is to plug your transformer back into the outlet and secure it with the Velcro strap. So if you found this video useful, please click the like button, and if you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe too. Thank you.